Hi there, happy Tuesday. We're ready to do our phonics lesson. Remember, you're going to listen and then repeat after me. All right, we're going to start with rhyming. Did, lid. No, show. Teach, beach. Must, just. Find, kind. Nice job. Next one, we're going to do our onset fluency. I'm going to say a word, then we're going to say the first sound. Repeat after me. Leave, ul. Home, huh. Tail, t. Say, s. Keep, k. Great job. Next one, we need our choppers out. We're going to be blending. I'm going to give you two pieces of a word, then we're going to smush it together. Ready? Here we go. Top, top. Ran, ran. Mud, mud. Sheep, sheep. Kick, kick. Very nice. Next one, we're going to do our final sounds. So this is where we say a word and then punch it out at the end. Here we go. Was, z. Tell, ul. Age, j. Find, d. Alone, n. Very good. Okay, next one. Need our choppers again. This time I'm going to give you the whole word first, then we're going to chop it up into syllables, all right? Your first word is hot, ought. Tail, t, ale. Vet, et. Keep, k, eep. Hug, g. Very nice. All right. Next one we're going to add. So you need to have your hands out, all right? We are going to start with our rhyme and we're going to add a sound. All right, so start with in, add f, fin. In, add t, tin. In, add w, win. In, add k, kin. In, add b, bin. Very good. All right. Next one, we are going to delete. So you're going to hold a word in your hands and then we're going to take a part away. All right? So our word is cut. Without k, what's left is ut. Nut. Without n, what's left is ut. Hut. Without h, what's left is ut. Gut. Without g, what's left is ut. Shut. Without sh, what's left is ut. Very good. All right, we're going to continue with our rhyme. Do you remember it from yesterday? Listen to me first and then repeat. Little Bo Peep has lost her sheep and can't tell where to find them. Nice job. All right, so that's the end of our Tuesday lesson. I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.